What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at kind of a little home tool, home automation, home security from your phone, any remote device or whatever. And this is the Chamberlain. Also, you know, they're very popular for making garage door openers. This is called the MyQ Garage, and it's the universal smartphone garage door controller. So what this is going to do is, I'll flip it over here, you can see it's going to install basically a little hub up by your garage door opener, and this says it works with most garage door openers that were actually manufactured early 2000s maybe. So if you've gotten a garage door in this century, this actually says after 1993, so so if you've got a garage door opener within the last 20 years, you should be able to use this. So it does mount a little garage door opener hub. This is kind of like the main spot, and then it has a little sensor that it puts on the door that'll let you tell you that the door is closed or open. And then there's an iPhone app. I imagine, yeah, this is GooglePlay, so there's on the Android as well. So a pretty cool little device. You don't have to go out and get a garage door opener that has this built in. You can actually now add this to an existing garage door opener and allow you to know if your garage door is open, closed, and you can actually open and close it from the road from your phone. So let's go ahead and open this up. What I have noticed, and I don't know if you're familiar with the If This Then That or IFTTT website, I looked to see, and it didn't look like this had any recipes for it. So it didn't look like at this point this was actually one that you could do, like, oh, what do they call them, where you do your geolocate. Like if you were just to pull in the drive, you don't have to do anything, it just knows your home and opens the door. I didn't see anything like that, but you know, hopefully somebody decides to create that, because that would be an amazing thing for this. Looks like I need to cut it a couple more places here. Go ahead and open this up. A little slice and dice here, a little slice and dice there. And I'll show you what is in the box. Alright, so we get it open here and you can see the Chamberlain logo. And gosh, got something else, gotta break the seal on. And by breaking the seal, you do hereby agree to all the EULAs that you did not read, because, you know, you like reading those things. Alright, so let's open this up and see. Here we go. In the box, we have the device that actually goes up by your garage door opener. You will mount this to the ceiling. You just got to make sure you've got an electrical outlet. Most people do. Otherwise, the garage door opener is not going to function up there. So you should have an outlet with one free. So you have that. You have your sensor for the door. This is going to go on your garage door. This is basically going to let it know that it's, you know, horizontal or down, up, down. You get hopefully some mounting tools, some instructions, and here we have our stuff that allows you to mount it, your power supply, there's your bracket. You're going to mount this up on the ceiling. Got some screws and some little mounting device stuff, looks like maybe some Velcro, and then the power for the device. So that is what comes in the box. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I'm going to install this. You know, if there's any caveats while I install it, I'll bring that up, but it's pretty cut and dry. You know, you basically just install this little mount bracket, and then put this up here, plug it in, and you should be good to go. So we'll run through the install instructions, and then we'll come back and I will show you this installed in action and see what you guys think about it. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. I'm sorry for the quality of this video because I'm in the garage and I'm actually holding my camera. But let's take a look at the setup here. So, on the door, this is the garage door. Let me go ahead and back up a little bit here. As you can see on the top panel of the garage door, I have mounted the Chamberlain device, and it's just mounted with the MyQ logo on the bottom, and then there's a test button that's located right here, and it actually says top up here. So I just mounted that to the door. So we have that on the door to monitor the status of the door. So let's go ahead and switch over to the device itself that I've installed on by the garage door opener. Okay, this is the device itself that I've mounted up on the ceiling. As you can see, I mounted it really close to the outlet here and made it look professional. This comes down, the actual opener itself is right here, and this is happens to be a Craftsman. The install was pretty easy to do, but one of the key caveats is this needs to be facing right here, the little I don't know, like the vents or the holes. I had to return this one 180 because these weren't facing the garage door opener, and it would not have any signal when I was programming it. So that was a key thing, and that wasn't in the instructions to have this kind of facing the garage door opener itself. So that was a key thing. Programming it, you know, you download the app. If you have an iPhone, you do it through Bluetooth. Now another key thing is check the compatibility guide with your garage door opener. More than likely it's compatible, but you know, check the listing, and then also you need to know where your program guide or button is on your garage door opener itself. This one happened to be purple. Just look for usually the antenna like this hanging down. This is going to be the control center, and then usually the button that you're going to have to push to pair or to program your garage door opener is right around your antenna. So you could just push that, and then this will actually learn it when you go through the app. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app and see this thing in action. Hey guys, this is the back of the garage door opener, and if I zoom in here just a little bit, you can see my little button, if it'll focus there, the colored button in the middle. That is what I actually pushed. This was actually purple. Well, if you're colorblind, good luck with this, because they actually want to know the color of the button. And even looking at this one not being colorblind, it could have been orange, it could have been red faded, but it was actually purple. I think the only option I had that I did not know was green. So I could rule that one out, but I wound up trying red first, and then I was like, it might be more purple, and then I finally got it to work after I swung my hub up here 180 degrees. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app and see how this works. So let's come on down to the phone, and now as you can see, hopefully if this will zoom in or get focused, you know, it says that here's my garage door opener. It's been closed for 8 minutes. So all I got to do now on my phone is push the button. And as you can see, my garage door is now going up. With the push of a phone button. And you watch the app, it actually shows that the app is opening the garage door, and now it says it's open for 1 second. And now I have programmed an alert, and it comes through as a push notification, and it says garage door just opened at 4:57 p.m. on March 9th. And then I also got an email. So I've got documentation as to when the garage door was opened, and it actually keeps track for how long it's open for, just as a running timer. So now let's go ahead and close the garage door, and all I gotta do is again push on the phone. Now something that's kind of nice about this is if you're in the garage when I push this, and I'll zoom in here, I'm just going to push it on the phone, and it's going to sound an alarm, so anyone that's in the garage is going to know, hey, this is going to start closing the garage door. And then the garage door should start to close here any second. There we go. So it gives you a little advance notice to, like, hey, let's get rid of some of the stuff, or the garage door is going to start closing, so get back. As you can see, the app is showing the garage door closing. And as soon as the app actually catches up here and refreshes, you see the alarm stops, and it shows that it's closed. And I did not set up an alert yet for the garage door being closed, but I will. I just wanted to show you the first notification that you can set up alerts to be alerted when the garage door is open or closed, and there's a couple other options in here. So Anyway, you can go and you're looking at your events in your app, and you can see that it says the 4:57, the garage door just opened. So you can go back and look at your history of events. You can clear them out and go from there. So anyway, guys, that is the Chamberlain MyQ garage door opener. And again, if anyone knows of a way to get this thing GPS geo enabled, that would be really cool. I'll leave that in my show notes. Like I said, I don't know if this is I didn't see where it was IFTTT or if this then that, where you could program it, but I'd love to be able to just pull in the driveway and know that I'm home, and then bam, open the garage door. So anyone knows a way to do that, it'd be much appreciated. If you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one.